What do you guys see? Bear? Darn, I missed him talking about it. There's bears. Bears. I was talking about Bear, my cat. There's like 6, 7, 8 birds out there. Oh, you probably can't see them. What is it, Bear? Fozzie? There's some talking. What is it, Bear? What you see, Bear? Is it cool? Ooh, a squirrel too. Big fat squirrel. Yay, with a big bushy tail. Probably can't see it either, but there we go. Bear, Fozzie, anything else you want to say before I end this video? Bear, bear, bear. Is it cool? Fozzie, 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 Fozzie. Well, Fozzie shows his happiness. Well, there we go. They're both swishing their tails, so they're both pretty happy. Okay, bye.